Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to leave a Slack channel. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your workspace. There on the left side of your screen you can see your workspace. In there you can see your channels. Go on the channel which you want to leave. Then click to the channel details. Then this type of drop down menu will appear in your screen. There you can see leave channel option. Click to leave channel. Then the channel will be leave. This is how you can leave a Slack channel. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.